Hello, I'm Anita Squires. I work for BJSS. I've been here for about 2.5 years now. I'm originally from Doncaster in South Yorkshire. Growing up, I was really into maths and science and computers. I had a ZX Spectrum, which makes me very, very old. My dad was a printer engineer, so I grew up loving electrics and engineering and poking around in printers and finding out why they didn't work. But my mum was a nurse, and I felt that I should also be a nurse. Mum didn't want me to be a nurse, so I wound up in Aberdeen studying dietetics and got to the end of my degree and discovered I didn't actually like hospitals. So had a bit of a panic about my career, and then came and moved to Edinburgh, where I'm still many, many years later. And I got into the world of the admin side of fintech, which is financial technology. So I was working with very talented programmers, testers, BAs, project managers, and they sort of reignited my love of coding and the fact that coding is still fun, even when I wasn't doing it. And I got very into gaming. I played far too much Sims, Diablo, lots of games on Steam. And I got very into sort of looking at how they worked and being a tester for some of them. And being a beta tester is quite a lot of fun, I discovered. So, and my friends that were working as managers in the programming world said, well, if you like this, why aren't you a developer? And I discovered something called a code camp, where they retrain you. They give you 16 weeks to learn some basics in coding and then send you out into the world. And so as we were doing that, we got lots and lots of people to come in and do talks. And there was a couple of testers in there who talked about automated testing, which is a fantastic thing to know about, because it meant that you got to break everything. And I love breaking things. So I did that, and I came out with the MVQ in computing and got picked up by a client that wanted me as a tester. And now I'm an automated tester, which means that I get to take the work that developers do, and for front end, that could be something on a website, so I could make sure that a website logs in, the buttons are the right colour, the error messages are readable, the text is readable, it doesn't go off the page, it doesn't turn white on a white background, so you can't actually see what it says. And then after I'm finished with that, and I'm happy with all that, I actually get to write some of my own code and my own testing that says that when somebody else puts another release in, they don't break what we've already done. I think the nice thing about any form of developer, any form of coding, is that you never stop learning. I mean, it might sound a bit boring when you're going through school and all you've got to do is learn and learn and learn and learn, but this is different. I've really enjoyed learning to become a programmer, and I think it's something that I can encourage everybody else to try at least.